Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
For reliable fried rice using Hapima, start by measuring 2 cups of day-old cooked rice to ensure dryness and separation. Crack 2 large eggs and beat lightly with a pinch of salt. Set aside. Mince 3 cloves garlic and prepare 1/2 cup diced vegetables like peas and carrots for quick stir-frying. Have 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, and 2 tablespoons neutral oil ready. Chop 2 tablespoons green onion for finishing. Using chilled rice prevents clumping and yields distinct grains for a better texture. Heat a large wok or heavy skillet over medium-high heat and add 2 tablespoons neutral oil. Wait until the oil is shimmering. Add minced garlic and diced vegetables. Stir-fry for 45 seconds to 1 minute until fragrant and tender crisp. Push the rice to the side and scramble eggs for about 30 seconds until just set, then mix eggs into the rice. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce and 1 teaspoon sesame oil to season evenly. Toss constantly to prevent steaming. Use high heat and quick motion for light toasting and separation of grains. Once ingredients are combined, cook for 2 to 3 minutes more, stirring constantly to toast rice and meld flavors without drying it out. Taste and adjust with a splash more soy sauce or 1/4 teaspoon sugar if you prefer balance. Remember, sesame oil is potent, so add small amounts. Serve immediately and garnish with 2 tablespoons sliced green onion and 1/2 teaspoon toasted sesame seeds for brightness and crunch. Store leftovers in the refrigerator for up to 3 days in an airtight container and reheat quickly on high heat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.